Hi, I'm Peter with Pack Brake Company. Today I'm going to be talking to you about our new air spring kit, HP10328, for 2005 to present Toyota Tacoma vehicles. Based on feedback from you, we've gone ahead and redesigned this kit to address Toyota Tacoma users' pain points. With our new Toyota Tacoma air suspension kit, we've gone and redesigned. We are utilizing a completely different bag than ever before. In previous kits, we're utilizing a bag that was more of a fit for heavy payload vehicles and resulted in a lot of road feedback into the vehicle, discomfort. We've gone ahead and used a better suited bag in combination with the bracket, which will allow full extension and compression of your vehicle suspension. This is our existing Toyota Tacoma air spring kit. This kit's great if you're keeping the vehicle on road, pulling your trailer. However, if you are planning on going off-road, it is going to limit your suspension travel, both in compression and extension. For this existing air spring kit, this bag diameter is actually quite wide. This is being parented from 1.5 ton trucks and isn't necessarily the ideal air spring for a light duty vehicle. What this wider diameter bag is going to do is it's going to cause more user discomfort. You bought a Tacoma for its 4x4 capabilities and its ride quality. This air spring kit allows you to carry your max payload while maintaining those traits. For a new Toyota Tacoma air spring kit, what we've gone ahead and done is relocated our bottom bracket from traditionally on top of the axle to down below. What this allows us to do is use our narrowest and longest air spring to allow for full compression extension of your suspension. In this kit, we've gone ahead and increased our compression and your extension so that you can regain your Toyota stock suspension travel. A lot of people believe that bigger is better. Traditionally, the use of a heavy-duty spring on a light-duty truck has resulted in oversprung rear suspension. This has led to very harsh ride quality. Moving to a tall, slim air spring better suited for this application allows us to maintain the ride quality that Toyota intended. You're likely to modify your rear suspension, which is ultimately going to change how much your air spring compresses and extends. We've allowed for the purchase of additional spacers to change your entire stack to fine-tune extension and compression. Our most frequent complaint with previous kits have been ride comfort. And with this kit, you're never going to know it's there. If you have any questions or concerns, please give us a call at 1-800-663-0096 to speak with a customer representative, or reach out to us on our webpage at packbrake.com. Thanks for watching.